An angle with a measure of 5.7 pi would be equivalent to which of the following angle measurements? Well, if I'm given something in radians and I'm talking about an angle, what I do know is if I have a coordinate plane and I were to try to measure an angle, I would start over here at 0 and spin my way around. Now, every time I spin around in this direction, I complete a complete circle, which is the same as 2 pi. So what I need to do is I need to take that 5.7 pi and either add or subtract 2 pi until I hit one of these guys to see which one of these guys is the same. And if you're wondering, oh, well, hold on, isn't 5.7 pi and like 3.7 pi different? No, if I were to take 5.7 pi, which looks something like this, right, give or take. If I were to take 5.7 pi and subtract 2 pi from it, I get the same thing because I'm circling 2 pi. So I'm going to take that, and all of these numbers are smaller. I'm going to take 5.7 pi and subtract 2 pi until I get one of these guys here. So if I take 2 pi away from that, I get 3.7 pi, okay? None of those. If I take 2 pi from that, I get 1.7 pi. So I passed u, so none of those. If I subtract 2 pi from this, I get negative 0.3 pi. So that one. But if I just want to be safe and stuff like that, I could take another, subtract another one and get negative 2.3 pi, which passes u, and do it again, and do it again, which passes u. So there you go. There you have it. You're allowed to take anything and add or subtract 2 pi, and it'll end up being the same exact angle measurement. Fun stuff.